So hello everyone and welcome back to Cash for Life Business Module 13. Okay, so we're in the model 13 already. Okay, so in this one we're gonna work with images. So the image that we're gonna work today is this one here that you see here, which is, if you see, if I refresh the page, it automatically changes the images for me. Okay, what this actually does makes the site looks fresh all the time, instead of the static burner there where people's gonna see the same image all the time. Every time they come back and visit the site, there will be a new image always showing. And also these images are affiliate links. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna do this in this module. Just gonna cover these banners here, and at the same time I also gonna show you here the image on the background. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so back to Excite Pro on page layout. Okay, so the one we're gonna do is gonna show you now is this image on the background. Okay, so it's actually on page margins. It's the last tab on your Excite Pro tool, and here is where you add the background images. Okay, so I can actually choose anything I want. Okay, and you see that the image on the background changes to whatever I want to be on the background. Okay, so this is how you change the backgrounds. So let me just put the other one back. So the other one is a full length images, which is this one. Okay, that can be a full picture, a full images. We'll cover that on Photoshop videos, or you can do images like this and then put in your site, but that is for the Photoshop videos. Okay, so I'm just gonna insert this one for now. Okay, and the next one, now we're gonna work it is burners here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove them and I'm gonna add them again. Okay, so you can see the process. Okay, so this image is on the right panel, so you gotta go to right panel, designer, and there is these three wizards. Okay, these widgets that you see here, each one of them is a tool. Okay, so in one of those squares you can have, you know, as many images as you want, either different affiliate links and everything, and the robots, you know, the spiders will know as well what that image is about, because we give them names and links and so on. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove them. Okay, and so is nothing there, and they have now disappeared, so no image there. So the first thing we need to do, okay, you need to find images and affiliate links. So one of the things I recommend you to do is, if you go up the top here, affiliate wizard, and what this allows us to do is, you know, you can go to Aweber, HostGator, and Excite Pro, which is the ones I'm using here for this site at the moment, and you can actually add your affiliate links here as default just by clicking on add. Then you add the name. Okay, in this case would be Aweber or whatever your affiliate network that you're working with. The URL. Okay, you can add just a basic URL, or you can add the script code, which is that, you know, that small piece of HTML that they usually give you that already got the image on. But I recommend you to use the basic link, because then you can add more images. Okay, the affiliate admin URL. So in this case, if it's Aweber, you have to put, you know, the page that you use to log into your affiliate area on Aweber. You have to put the URL of that page there, and affiliate username and password. Okay, that's your affiliate network details once you open an account. Okay, they give you the username and password for you to log in. You only enter this if you want. I enter them because what Excite Pro does, it saves my passwords and the username there as well. So if I forget them or anything, I know Excite Pro is got them on file. Okay, so this is one of the first things we need to do, so you can add the affiliate link. So once you add affiliate links, you just basically click OK, and it starts to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so this is pretty much straightforward. Just follow what this says there to add your affiliate links. Okay, the next is the image. So let's add the image. So let's go back here to the right panel, designer. And now I put the cursor there on the center, okay, because it's 3 spaces there. Okay, I'm just gonna take the spaces out as well. Okay, let's go here to the widget wizard, and again we're gonna use the banner rotator for this shop. Okay, because this rotates the banners and the links and everything for you. So you do have to go, you know, some affiliate products and you know, like Aweber, ClickBank, some ClickBank products as well, they provide you in images like the ones I got here now. Okay, so I click add a new banner. Okay, click on this square here, and basically I create a file on my desktop and put all these images inside that file so they are all layered together. Okay, and for the right panel I'm going to use the banners, the 234 by 60. Okay, and this one is the host case, so I got to select that one, click open, so he added, and then because I already got my affiliate link saved in Excite Pro, okay, just click insert affiliate link, and this is a HostGator banner. Okay, click OK, and there is my affiliate link and add banner. Okay, so that's one. Okay, now because of the size of this banner, I want this to be the standard banner size. I have to untick this one to make sure that then goes to the smaller size. Okay, so let's add another one. Go back there, and this time I'm gonna add a 234 by 60 Aweber. Okay, and click open, and insert Aweber affiliate link there. Okay, there is my affiliate link, add, and there it is. There is unticked now. So let's add another one now, Excite Pro, 234 Excite Pro, which gotta be this one here. Open, insert Excite Pro link, and that's it. Add banner, and there are now added. Click insert widget, and there it is, my widget. Click OK, and if I go there it is. So every time this loads, it loads the different image. Okay, so we can add however how many widgets we want. So if I go here and go back to page layout, now it shows me it's supposed to show, probably has to be live to do this, but it does change the image to a different image all the time. So if I want to do a different combination below that one, basically that's exactly the same thing. You go to designer, put the cursor below, okay, make sure it's centered, back to that widget, banner rotator, and this time I gotta use a different combination. So I gotta use gotta start with Excite Pro. Okay, insert Excite Pro link for this banner. Okay, add another one, and this you gotta use HostGator, a different HostGator banner. Let's use this one, 234, and insert HostGator affiliate link, add banner, and let's add another Aweber 234 by 60. Click open, Aweber, there it goes, add banner, there is a tick, and insert widget, and there is the second widget. Click OK, and now there is the second one. Okay, now they both show, but they will change. So if I click save here, but they both change on the live site. As you can see here is the live site, and they change all the time. You know, when the person visits, you see, when the person visits the other page, it looks different. So it gives always a fresh look. Okay, and basically what this does, if people click and buy anything from these images, there is my affiliate link just passed by, and they get taken to the merchant site to make the purchase, and if they make the purchase, we get a commission. So this is how you work it burners. Okay, now You can work with any size of burners. Okay, you can do this one like we did the top one that we go here. Okay, we can do exactly the same thing. These ones are changing as well. So if you remember once we did that ones, see there, they keep changing all the time. And what this does just makes your website look fresh all the time. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is covered for this video. In the next video we're gonna still work with images, but we're gonna use a different type of images. So we're gonna make the site interactive, so the user can actually get engaged in your website. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Jay Nunes. Bye bye for now.